Hello, Big Boys Koi and DIY. Thank you for joining me today. What I'm going to be doing today is a little unboxing on something I bought on Thursday the 22nd of June. This isn't a sponsored video in any way. I went to my local Lidl store and I purchased this. It's the Parkside electric stapler. It's PET25C2. It's maximum impact rate is 30 BPM. Strike capability default is smooth. Impact trigger secured threefold. Includes accessories of 500 staples. You get 200 15mm staples and 300 25mm staples. You get 500 nails, 200 at 25mm and 300 at 32mm, and you get one hex key. So I'm just going to get on and we'll unbox this now and have a look at it and see what you get. Right, so straight into the box. You get the actual stapler. Nice rubberized grip on it. You get the instruction manual, and then you get your box of staples and nails, I think is in there, yeah. There's nothing else in the box though. So just have a look in here. As you can see, you get all your staples and nails and the hex keys in there as well. This would be ideal for small hobby jobs or like upholstery and things like that. As you can see, there's all the staples and contents out of that box. I'll just push those to one side now and have a look at the gun itself. You do get a 3-year warranty on this, as it shows you on the box, and the cable length is 4 meters long. So you can't actually fire the gun unless you depress the piece underneath and pull the trigger. The gun won't fire unless you do that. On the back there's an on-off switch and a strike adjuster for how hard you want the gun to strike. And that's a good feature as well on here, is your edge guide. So if you wanted to do an even edge all the way along something, you could, say if you wanted to go an inch in all the way along with your nails, obviously you'd set that to 2.5, and then you've got an equal edge all the way along, and all your nails or staples will be equal all the way along. So that's a good feature of that. You just slide it along and then push it back in to lock it in, so you've got you can just do it to any length you want then, or just pull it out and adjust it to where you want to put it. That's a good little feature, that. To load it with staples or nails, just squeeze the 2 red tags in on either side and pull the plunger out. I'll just put some nails in here for try it. These are the longest nails. These are the 32mm nails. Just load it up in the back, put those in, and then they slide all the way down. Put that in, and then push, and that locks into place. I'll just untangle the wire now and then we'll plug it in and have a look at it. Right, I'm going to switch the machine on like so, and as you can see I'm pulling the trigger and nothing's firing. I'm going to put it on the lowest setting first to see how hard it does fire. You have to depress the piece underneath, put one hand on top and fire. I don't know if you can see, as you can see that there, it doesn't fire it all the way in because that's on the lowest setting. So if you just wanted to pin something in place, that's the setting you'd use. I'm going to put it up onto the highest setting now. And now you can see it's flush with the work surface, so it drives it all the way in. I'll just get another little piece of wood here now and staple that, nail it to there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is solid on there. That is on there tight. I'm just going to switch it off, take the nails out, and I'm going to try some staples in there. Same again. Staples just slide in and then the plunger pushes them along. Like so. And I'll switch it back on. Again, I'll put it on the lowest setting. Still got a nail in there. And you can see how high it leaves the staple. I'm going to put it on the full setting now. And that's drove all the way in. So that if you was making furniture and you was putting material on it, that would be ideal. Or picture framing, or even putting pieces of wood together, that would be absolutely ideal for that. But yeah, that's the product there. Bit disappointed as you don't get it in a carry case, because I think it would be better if you got it in a case, and then you could keep it stored away and there'd be no damage to it. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. That's the Parkside PET25C2 electric stapler. For what I've just used it though, I mean, I've just nailed that piece of wood to that and it's absolutely solid on there. You wouldn't get that off unless you used a chisel and got it off that way. But yeah, if you've got any questions you'd like to ask me, then please leave a comment down below and I will answer all questions or comments the best of my knowledge as I can. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up for the video, then please give me a thumbs up. If you want to give me a thumbs down, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe to my channel, and you could share the videos to your friends or family if you want to. And I will leave it at that for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day and a pleasant weekend. See you again soon.